Here is another example on how to solve simultaneous linear equations using elimination method. In this example, we have 3x and 2x, and we have 4y and 3y. Now, you can choose the coefficients of x to work with, or you can choose the coefficients of y to work with. It doesn't matter, but try to use the easy ones. So it's easier to work with 3 and 2 because they are small values. So I have 3 and 2. I need the least common multiple, so it's 6. What should I do to 3 to make it 6? I multiply it by 2. What should I do to 2 to make it 6? I multiply it by 3. So we multiply the first equation by 2, and we get 6x. 4 times 2 is 8, and 200 times 2 is 400. Then I multiply the second one by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. 144 times 3 is 432. In order to continue now and eliminate, we're going to eliminate the x. So I need to multiply by -1 one of these equations. So I multiply the first equation by -1. Why is that? Because I'm going to have as a result, I'm going to have minus 6x minus 8y equals to minus 400, and 6x plus 9y equals to 432. And now I can add, and while I'm adding, I eliminate the x. So here I'm going to have minus 8 plus 9, it's y, which is equal to minus 400 plus 432, it's 32. So y is equal to 32. Then I take the value of y and substitute it in the first equation. Substituting it, we will get 3x plus 4 times 32 equals 200. You take this to the other side in order for you to solve for x. So 3x is equal to 200 minus 128. So 3x is equal to 72. Then x is equal to 72 over 3, which is equal to 24. Then I take the answer for x and the answer for y, and I check that my answers are right by replacing them in the second equation. Therefore, 2 times 24, which is the x, plus 3 times 32, which is the y, value of y, you add them up and you're going to get 144, which is the answer for the second equation. So we have found the two values, x24 and y32, that are the solution for the system, which means that when you replace x here in the first and the y in the first equation, it will satisfy, it gives you 200. And when you replace x in the second and y in the second, also they will satisfy the value 144. Therefore, this is the solution for both equations, and this is what we call the solution for the system of two equations, of two linear equations.